Space. Place without limits. The Earth is surrounded by debris made by mankind. Let us describe this online application which you can visit by yourself.
The red dots represent working satellites, blue represent rocket bodies, and grey represent debris, one of the biggest future problems of mankind.
Hi, my name is Andrea Rencibia.
And I'm Ota Michalek. We live on the planet Earth.
Most of the rocket launched directly from Baikonur, Florida and French Guiana, where the space center of the European Space Agency is based.
When a rocket launches, it requires tons of fuel and materials for its complete functionality. However, some of the parts, such as used stages, boosters or fairings, are left behind to burn in the atmosphere or fall on the Earth's orbit.
We are coming with an idea of transporting the unused objects from the orbit back to the Earth. We want to crush objects and fit them into small capsules, which will transport them back to the Earth.
We have been cooperating with the local university and tested this process ourselves in their laboratories.
Our solution basically works as a huge kitchen grater.
There are functional satellites floating around the Earth as well as the non-functional ones. The functional ones must perform evasive maneuver from time to time not to crash into the others.
If we could collect the non-functional satellites and bring them into our machine, they wouldn't cause any trouble to the functioning devices on the Earth's orbit.
But how could a machine which is designed to function on the Earth's surface work in zero-G environment?
We made a concept.
In this diagram, you can see how the object is crushed into smaller pieces. But firstly, it needs to go through the airlock, which is needed because there's an inner gas flowing through the machine. Pieces are going through the series of grinders and fans to become as small as possible. They are gathered in the box at the end of the system, from which they are transferred into the capsule that will be transported back to the surface of the Earth.
By the process of cleaning our orbit, we can ensure that our path to the space will stay open and we will not have to take a risk of crashing into debris.
Moreover, prices of space launches won't increase because of rising risk of crashing into space debris. If you want to immerse yourself more into this problem, you can check out our work, which is in the description below.
Do not waste time any longer
and let's clean the space!